I got this challenge lock from Texas Gym. The lock works. Every once in a while it hangs up, but very rare. There's a bidding on the key. I believe it's a Kwikset keyway. So we're going to do top of the keyway by tension, start from the front. There's a little turn on 1, 2, a little feedback on 3, little turn on the core on 2 and 3. Feedback on 4. Little turn on 2 on the core. Go to the back here. And on 2, it felt like. So let me scoot this back a little bit. Move my vise here. Let's see. These lovely, lovely C-clips. Not too bad. There's the top. Let's see if one of these will work instead. No. I'm going to see if a shim would work. Okay. So the first pin's popped out, but that's fine. Let's see here. It's pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me get my other flashlight here. Looks like all of them have been threaded. So, get the tweezers. There is a pin that was stuck at the top. That was in the number 2 slot, so is there a spring missing? I believe that key pin was in there upside down. I didn't see another spring. So it looks like they're all threaded in the Bible. Here's the key pins and driver pins. Serrated, serrated spool, serrated spool, serrated spool. So there's those, and I wish I knew. I swear I didn't see a spring. So I don't know if it was missing a spring or not, but I'll look around and see. But I do not see. It was the second spring, because the second one was jammed up in the Bible. So I did not see, which would have been probably more like that. I did not see a spring. But here's this lock. I'll put it back together, send it out to somebody else, and everyone be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Thanks.